Right now at 6, the Me Too movement has hit colleges and universities across the country with this question: have they done enough to keep young people safe?
Yeah, and tonight a George Washington University grad is suing the prestigious Washington school, accusing GW of failing to protect her from sexual assault. Bruce LaShan talked to her today.
I still remember the moment that I got into GW. It was my dream school. I was so happy.
Anika Rehan says it happened in her freshman year in 2014, after a night of playing games and drinking with friends in her dorm. She says another student who lived a few doors down from her sexually assaulted her while she was passing in and out of consciousness. It took her 2 years to gather the courage to report the attack, but what really surprised her was the school's response.
Obviously really upsetting to know that GW could acknowledge what happened, find him responsible, and say that they know that there is a rapist on campus, and they, accept what happened to me, but just not going to do anything about it.
GW did ban the suspect from university housing and order him to undergo a psychological evaluation, but it deferred his suspension, and despite protests, the man graduated with his class.
He was on campus, he was in my classes, he was at my friends' birthday parties. He was, I had to be prepared to see him anywhere, anytime.
With the help of a law firm that focuses on campus sexual assault, Rehan is now suing GW in federal court in D.C., accusing it of violating Title IX, the law that says no one should face discrimination in education based on sex. And her lawyer says she was not the only victim.
George Washington knew that 4 women had accused this man of sexual assault, and they still chose to effectively not sanction him.
The case clouded her college years, but Rehan is hoping the lawsuit forces the school to do more to protect other victims. In D.C., Bruce LaShan, WUSA 9.
GW is just out with its response. The school insists that it supports survivors and treats those who commit sexual violence appropriately. It also says it disagrees with how Rehan has characterized the case and promises to defend itself in court.